In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report someone on Discord. Keeping your community safe matters, and reporting a problematic message helps moderators and Discord's trust and safety team take action when rules are broken. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Discord and navigate to the conversation where the issue happened. You'll need to report a specific message, not just a user in general, because the report ties your concern to the exact content that violates the rules. Take a moment to locate the message you're concerned about so the context is clear. Next, point to that message. On desktop, right-click it, or hover your mouse over the message and click the three dots that appear to the right. If you're on a device where you can't right-click, look for those three dots as they serve the same purpose. This opens a small menu of actions that apply to that exact message. From that menu, choose Report Message. This is the built-in reporting tool designed for cases like harassment, threats, hate speech, spam, or other violations of Discord's guidelines and community rules. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you clicked the menu for the exact message you want to report, since the report must reference a single message. After you click Report Message, follow the prompts on screen. Discord will ask you to select the type of violation, such as harassment, spam, or other categories. Pick the one that best fits what happened. Don't worry if it's not a perfect match. Choose the closest category so the review team understands the nature of the problem. You may be asked for additional details. Provide clear, factual information that explains why the content breaks the rules. Keep it concise and focused on what happened and why it's inappropriate. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information. If Discord requests more context, answer those questions honestly and completely, then submit your report. Once submitted, Discord logs the report with the message context and forwards it for review. You typically won't receive a detailed update, but the report helps moderators and trust and safety evaluate and enforce policies. Remember, the person you reported won't be notified that you specifically filed the report, and your involvement remains confidential. That's all there is to it. Find the exact message, open the menu, select Report Message, choose the violation type, provide any requested details, and submit. Thanks for taking the time to help keep your servers and DMs respectful and safe.